and I haven't even gotten this out. I am doing a commission piece for a lovely friend of mine and a coworker, a retired coworker. He has a couple of pieces of mine already. Those pieces had already been painted when he bought them. This piece that he commissioned, the piece that he had wanted, was already sold, and I told him I could make him another one. So he went ahead and sent me the money, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint it for him. I paint this piece all the time, and actually going to spin this one. If you guys were with me on the last one, I really enjoyed spinning this technique. So we're gonna see if that doesn't work on this one. So I think Jim has 2 of my pieces already. He has a traditional painted piece, and he has a fluid art piece that I made. Jim and I worked for the company that I work for now. He retired. He worked there 20 years. I've been for that company for 25 years in March. If that tells you how long we worked together. We worked in the same department for almost 20 years together. A long time. We've been friends for a very long time. I love Jim. I love people who love people. The world could use a whole lot of more people that love people, right? So this white is like a apple barrel multi-surface satin acrylic paint. The actual painting that he liked, this is the white that I used, so I'm gonna try to duplicate it as best I can. So I'm gonna use the same white I used. So this is the bottom of the bottle, pour on the side. Where's my bottom of the bottle? What did I do with it? Let's see. It's kind of wobbly. So, tell you all my colors here in a minute. I'm gonna put my white down. Let's do this. And I always use the same colors in this particular one to match up with that sunset. And we'll see if we can get it done. I think that's about the middle. Leave a little bit in there in case we need it. That. All right. So I have Cadmium Yellow Light Hue by Liquitex Basics. I have Azo Orange by Amsterdam. Permanent Red Purple by Amsterdam. This is Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam. This color is a beautiful Lukas Cryl Studio in Cadmium Red Deep. We're also going to use Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. This is Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. This is one of my favorite colors by Amsterdam as well, and it's Greenish Blue. And I have a flow extender, which was the leftover purplish color here that I have from my previous pour. If you did not see that, please go look it up because it's amazing. I'm gonna post it up at the top. It was the first painting that I used with my new spinner from Erica Hughes. I'll also post a link to get this spinner in my description box. Go check it out. If you're looking for a spinner, this is the spinner to get, and it's an amazing value for what you get. I added a little bit of, I think I might have used like some extra Floetrol and maybe a blue. I think I used this Amsterdam Phthalo blue because I have like a ton of it, and then just mixed it around. So I'll put that back here. All right, so we are going to layer our cup, kind of like working on my big table. I'm gonna have to change tables here in a few because I'm kind of rearranging my home, and I need my dining table in my house. So we're gonna start with the blue and the cup. We want about the same amount. Of course, you don't always get the same amount, but almost. We're gonna take this side and kind of just drizzle it down the side there. And I mixed the paint. I added a ½ ounce of paint to about 1½ ounces of Floetrol. I added a little bit of water to the yellow and a little bit of water to the Lukas Cryl. Of course, the other paints I didn't have to add any water to because they were all the same brands. So pretty. I'm hoping this turns out really good. I love commission work. I'm really excited to see this turn out on the spinner. I'm really excited about the commissioned piece for Nellies. She saw the test piece and she wants more blue, which I do too, but we have settled on the spinner piece. So pretty excited about that. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna video it, so you guys stay tuned. You imagine seeing a 4 foot by 4 foot spun? I love Azo Orange, it's such a pretty color. I love this cup, looks good. Okay, and the yellow. I'm gonna pour each side on each side of the cup there. Okay, that's a lot of blue, but it is the same. Okay, so I'm the happiest when I paint with you. Here we go. And turn this to this edge here. I'm gonna hold this so it doesn't move, and we're just gonna breathe. Here we go. I'm about 3 inches up from the cup. Whew. Okay. Turn this way. We're gonna do it again. Okay, that. Gotta breathe. Gotta breathe. Just gotta breathe. Oh, I'm gonna put this in here just to get my extra paint out of my cups. If there's other colors that you guys would like to if there's other colors that you would like to see me do in this technique, please reach out in the comments and let me know. I love this technique. I love doing this technique. This spinner is amazing. I have 3 extender arms that I'm going to be using as well when I do the 4 foot by 4 foot commission for Nellies. 3 of the arms I can take off and I can replace with the extender arms. So I'm pretty excited about being able to use those. Let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, plenty of white. Okay, we're gonna do a couple of swirly swirls. And the rest are gonna be lines. Love that bright yellow line right there. Okay. All right. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna put a flow extender around it. This just helps us keep the composition together and help it not roll over itself. And this is just drips mostly, and then you just add to it if you need to. You just cover it up and stir it up when you need to use it. So there's not a whole lot of waste. Love that blue. It's pretty. It's gonna be quite pretty. Hope you guys are enjoying the process. I'm really anxious to see this spun out. I haven't done this color with the spinner, so pretty excited. Pretty excited about it. Okay, we're good to go. We can't get this figured out. Okay, colors look good, the lines look good. Consistency looks good. Like I said, on this color combination, I've never spun it out, so. You might have to pull it down at the bottom. Looks like the top's going pretty good. Looks like a shooting star up here. Let's see if I can get it up. Fix it. coax it a little bit. A little bit more white in the middle than normal. So there's that. Trying to get this paint down here so I can get it off the side. So pull it back up. Sometimes you just have to kind of maneuver it a little bit to make it work. Okay, let's see if this doesn't. Yeah, see, I don't think I want that white to. Let's spin it. Love that. I love that. I love that. It's pretty. Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. Let me try it one more time. Wow. Wow, wow. Yep. Ooh. That gave it more movement. Oh, my plastic's coming up. There. Wow. Wow, wow. That's beautiful. I would like that to go off the edge, but I don't know if it will. I still love the bright yellow. I don't know if this has enough. I might try it one more time really hard. I don't think it's gonna go, but the two blue, maybe. Ooh, yeah. I don't even know why I have that under there. Pull that out. Why do I even have that there? That makes no sense, Angela. I think I was trying to keep the other part of my thing clean, but I don't care. That makes no sense. That's gone. Okay, let's try this. I just want to try to get the blue edges off. Maybe it'll go. Okay. Yeah. Ah! Leave it to me to mess up. To always have a oops. These are going away. Don't know why I kept those on there. It's okay. I got them. I got them. Forget that. They're gone. Sorry. Okay. Here we go. This is coming off. That's coming off. So much better anyway. Less noise. And plus the white is kind of blending out. Oh, how pretty. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. I love this. Okay. I got them off. That's all I wanted. I love the lines coming out from the spin. Super amazing. Just so pretty. Oh my God. The colors are amazing. Just gonna take this blue, touch up the edges. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I think it's absolutely an amazing piece. I'm gonna ask Jim if he loves it. He may want the other version of it, which is tilted, and then we can come back and do a tilted version, but I absolutely am amazed at the rainbow here, at the way we spun it, at the lines and the detail of the feathering from the way it poured out over the cup, and the actual definition of the, oh my gosh, the colors and the cells and the layers of the colors that came out of the cup, and then the actual spinning motion. Oh my gosh, the middle is amazing. The texture looking color underneath. I'm gonna get you guys down. Let me get it moved to another area. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is close-up of the wet result. I haven't moved it yet, so just gonna do this and then give you a dried result. Look at those lines. Wow. And the cells. Wow. Can you imagine that one big? Holy cow. The colors are just insane. This one's gonna dry so rich. Look at that. Wow. So we're gonna probably look at it like that. That's insane. Yeah. Super pretty. Sorry. There's the lighting's crazy, but yeah, we're gonna get this one dry and show it to you guys in just a second. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, here it is, and it's amazing. I've already showed it to Jim, and he loves it. He thinks it's absolutely beautiful. It looks like a firework going off. I love the white part in the middle. However, it's really big. I'm going to do one more, but I'm going to use a little less white, and we're not going to do it on the spinner. We're going to do it traditionally. But look at the finish. It's like super perfect. Let me turn the, there. Oh, it's amazing. Super, but like in different lights, it turns color. So I already have his paint ready to go. But yeah, super beautiful. But like in the light, it changes colors, which is really cool. It's on a 16 by 20. But we're just super excited about it. And so super cool the way the, just the rainbow of colors right in the middle there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and be looking for the next installment of this to so that we can see which one he likes the best. Next one will not be spun on the spinner though. We will do it traditionally. I just love the way the rainbow of the colors. Wow, that is super intense. Let's get the, yeah. Wow, 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 super cool. So cool. Anyway, I just lose myself in these paintings. It's just amazing what we can get. Super, super stoked. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate it. Talk to you guys soon. Let me know what you think in the comments.